No, again, thanks. I'm a bit frustrated because okay, let's leave what I've said about vagrants in terms of my discomfort about the vagrant term. Why I'm not being answered? Whether there's an error happened there because it's in the same line 445, and then the comments are saying hawkers remove and items confiscated. It's still confusing this particular item. I just need to understand. This is on page 244. On vagrants. I know vagrants, we just label the poor of the poor and then call them vagrants, and which is discomforting that term, but it's another politics for another day. Lastly, we are not chairperson and MMC, you are not doing justice to this committee. You're busy talking about blacklisting companies. You, both of you, went there in the council and changed that thing and gave it to the city manager to blacklist the companies. So I was just quiet waiting, just quiet listening to you and saying that these companies are doing this and this and we need to blacklist them. You, both of you, you went there in the council and changed the resolution of this committee and said that no, city manager, it's her power to blacklist companies. So we are just fooling ourselves. We won't blacklist any company here. We won't blacklist any company. We can come back after elections. We won't here in this committee. Trust me.
Thank you. Let me just answer that. It's the procedure to follow to blacklist a company. Only council can blacklist a company. And this is why they refer that item to internal audit department for a full investigation. And I can tell you now that I shouldn't actually tell you, but I'm going to tell you